welcome to Frog Forge Entertainment's Progress Report. And tonight I am Ligaya, your host, the marketing specialist, and together with Kuya Vic, our project manager, Kuya Miguel, our art director, and Ate Eben, our HR and our PR. Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Kamusta naman kayong tatlo? Are you good? Are you okay ngayong maulan na panahon? Okay, sagot kayo.
Yeah. Yes, syempre, malamig.
Chill ka
Malamig
lang.
and, yun, malamig
Malamig.
and
Malamig lang,
nakatamad,
yun lang.
pero we have to
Totoo yan.
progress and do our task.
Oh, yan. Tama.
Ah.
Kahit maulan, syempre dapat productive pa din tayo. Syempre
Yeah,
ngayong
syempre.
progress report natin, pag-uusapan natin tonight, ngayong maulan na gabi, tatanungin ko kayo, kamusta na nga ba ang update sa ating game? Ano ang inyong ma-isi-share sa public together sa ating mga listeners tonight? Ano ang pwede nyong i-share? In public mamaya may hindi kayo pwedeng ma-share at mabatukan kayo ng ating PR.
With regards sa game, so far, ano na siya, ang main focus namin is ma-deliver mo na yung buong, well, not kabuo ang experience, pero yung gist pa lang. Since ang dami kasi pinagdaanan ng changes for the game from like last year. Since last year kasi, part ang game natin, hindi pa Frog Forge yun pero part ang game na to sa PGDX din last year. And it was mobile. And ang dami nangyari from PG to GDS. We're now PC as from our last update. Still gearing up sa bagong mechanics. We are now, I don't know kung safe na to sabihin, pero we're now kumbaga focusing on the karinderya aspect ng kultura natin sa Pilipinas, like the karinderya experience of how ordering, preparing, and serving those kinds of food. So I think ayun lang yung pinaka-safe na sabihin. Now, so ba Miguel?
So,
Safe.
for me, I think yung progress report for like today, not just today, pero our milestones or yung steps namin ngayon is, for me, sobrang natutuwa ako. Kasi from all the changes that we've been through, ayun nga, sabi mo na, since we're going to PGDX for this year, especially this month, when you're looking back at it from last year, sobrang okay nung changes. And it's not for the bad, but it's actually for the better. We had some problems, we have some ups, we have some downs in our production. Pero, kahit na ang dami nating pinagdaanan, I would say na like our progress today or our progress now has been really full of positivity. Kahit na ayun, we had some problems then and we have some blockage or challenges. Ngayon talagang nakita ko yung passion and yung progress dun sa progress natin kasi it's really something to look forward to.
Ang taray ng sagot. Wait lang. Ano ko muna yung sarili ko. Ang ganda ng sagot nyo. Ako proud. Tapos ako nakikinig. Ang social ng milestones. Ayan, so nasabi nyo nga na madaming new sa laro katulad ng pag-progress nyo sa PC. And ayun, dahil nga sa passion nyo, marami pa rin nangyari. Pero at least guys, we are all happy na magkakasama pa rin tayo. And we are still striving hard to get more achievements. And alam ko marami-rami tayong achievements na nakamit nitong mga nakaraan. And sure ako nararami pa yan ngayong dire-diretso ang ating progress. And next question, ano nga ba ang mga dapat naming i-look forward? Lalo na't nasabi nyo rin na pupunta kayo ulit this year or this month sa PGDX. Ayan, ano mga pwede naming asahan pa sa Frog Forge Entertainment?
Ayun, like I said nga, we had big changes to our game from last year's attend attendance to PGDX. So kung ano yung nakita nyo from last year until siguro mga late March, it's something different. It's something of a change that we did. Pero from
Mm.
all of those changes, we always keep one aspect of the game, which is the heart of Filipino and the love for food. So hindi yun natanggal. It's just something better and something
Mm.
new to the table. And merong mga mixtures of something na from our culture that is unique to it. Pero yeah, it's something to look forward. It's not exactly something na makikita nyo agad, pero there's really something new to look forward when you're there. Nandun na kayo to try it. But, ayun. I hope na you're all excited to see this new exclusive. By the way, it was exclusive. It would be our first game test from those changes. So, kung nandun kayo, we really hope to see you guys.
Yeah,
What
true.
do you think?
I wanna add into that. Yeah, there's a lot of changes from last year's game. Basically, one of the big changes is like yung platform. We were mobile before, then now we're switching it up to like a PC para mas kumbaga ang weird sabihin na mas accessible pero mas true na mas accessible siya kapag nasa PC. It was suggested din kasi from ng mentor namin from Project Piggy na we do have a lot of potential if nag-PC kami. So like that's one thing na major change. And a lot of things then besides that. And it's true na even though like there's a lot of changes and dami nagbago with in terms of mechanics as well as platform, which is one of the biggest ones, is um we're still food centric. It's still there. Filipino culture is still at the center of the game. Di namin tinanggal yung aspect na yon. And maybe more. I don't wanna say much pero we added a lot more in terms of featuring Filipino culture in a sense na maybe something na familiar kayong lahat. Or for the Pinoys out there, syempre. Wow, kala mo international tong ano na to eh. Pero, ayun, more aspects of Filipino culture pero just wanna add in na it's not something na in your face na boom Pinoy ganun. It's something na more of an experience rather than forcing you to feel Pinoy stuff ganun. It's something na we're always taking account yung enjoyability niya in a sense of global na hindi lang siya not global like a universal type of experience na hindi lang kunyari Pinoy lang ang makakaintindi kundi others then since PGDX is a technically an international event and we want to feature Philippine culture then as well. We wanted it to be kumbaga enjoyable for everyone, even non Filipinos like foreign players as well. You know, especially ang niche natin is simulation and cozy casual games. Eh. There's no competitive aspect dito since we're just preparing food, serving the mainly the hospitality of the Filipinos. Yun ang kumbaga core ng aspect ng game na to. Yeah, additional dun sa mga additional for the expectations of the game. There's also sabihin, no? We also featuring like hindi lang itong game yung meron kami.
Yeah.
Yeah. Meron din kaming ipapakita na iba pa na playable demos, hindi siya complete. Disclaimer lang, hindi pa siya pulido. It's something na ginawa namin during our downtime. One of it is yung personal na thesis project namin. And meron pang mga iba na hindi na muna namin sasabihin para hindi masyadong matabunan ng yapping again. Pero sige, ayun lang. Ikaw Miguel, may dagdag ka pa ba?
Really something na kakaiba from our event kasi it's not Lola Chutong Bahay centric, but it's more of a Frog Forge centric kasi you're really bringing what we have from the table, like different games as well. So it's really an exciting event and really something to look forward. Kasi nga, we already have something na to show na original and something we've made.
So, bale, you guys are really giving your all ngayong PGDX. Talagang lahat
Yes.
ibigay ngayong PGDX. So, nasabi nyo nga rin kanina na marami talaga